It is a wreck in there, and it's yeah, it's dirty in there. Everything's just kind of like awry. That one was kind of a flop. So now we're gonna go to the classic, the Goodwill, see if we can find any shelves and anything to help me organize all of our stuff. It's not what I was looking for, but it matches my vibe. To be honest with you, I'm one of those people who I thoroughly enjoy a resale, a thrift, a find, but these stores in Rome don't seem like they're actually trying to, I guess, keep a nice selection of stuff for people who are looking to to shop secondhand. Either way, I'm gonna go look for some more resale shops. It's just gonna be like a follow me around vlog at the thrift stores. But now I want to visit all of the resale shops in Rome and see where they rank at, because the Goodwill and the Habitat for Humanity, who's running them? Like, it doesn't seem like there's anyone that is putting any kind of like pride and joy into it. They're very dirty, they're very dingy, they smell odd. Like the Goodwill I know is very corporate, and the Habitat for Humanity is supposed to be like doing good for people. I should do some research, but I've been in several small, locally owned stores, and they don't look like that. They don't smell like that. So, yeah. I wound up getting a plaque or a picture or a piece of cardboard. Either way, it's Death Valley, Zion, Joshua Tree, Grand Canyon, Yosemite, Yellowstone, and Guadalupe Mountains. I almost said Yosemite because I make that a joke to Tyler all the time. He's like, Yosemite Park. And I'm like, Yosemite. Just for fun. But yeah, I visited these two at the top. I have not visited the rest on the list. So yeah, that's a goal. We're going to put it on the wall as kind of a reminder of where we're going soon. I pretty much decided that I am going to do a series on the thrift stores in Rome, because I love thrifting and I love getting stuff on a discount. I love a good deal. And where's the good deal? Where's the good deals? Because I can't find them. They're not there no more. I stocked my whole ass house on a good deal from thrift stores. And now I'm just searching, and I can't find nothing. So we're gonna go do an investigative series on where is all the thrift store stuff and who's running these places. It was 100% not the vlog I wanted to do. It was gonna be much more interesting. I was hoping to find something while I was out shopping, and I didn't. I just found a bunch of disgusting thrift stores, two mainstream places that could just, honestly, they could do better. And it's just a call to action at this point.